Hey gang, Scott here. Got another rundown of masking changes that shape and craft the final story of your photo. Because you control the light and the shadow, you control how your viewer is going to move through your frame, what things are important, what things are downplayed, and help with that visual path through an image. And that's visual storytelling. I'm going to do this one in Lightroom as opposed to Lightroom Classic because the tools are the same. You have the same power of masking, whether it be Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, all works the same. And I'm going to show it to you right now, this one here. So this, I'm going to try to pronounce this properly. Ollantaytambo, I think, is the name of the village in Peru in the Sacred Valley, and you get this wonderful view of the village, set amongst the ruins of past cultures. And if I were to turn off that masking, here's the photo. Pretty good. This is the global adjustments, and I want to push down these like massive stairways down to the valley below. And accent that I want to be the attention there. And there's just a lot of nice varying types of contrast. Texture contrast. There's color contrast. Muted colors versus vibrant colors, all coming together. But let's run down the changes here. You can see I've labeled them to make it easier to understand. But first and foremost, cooling off the sky. Just a nice little touch there. The architecture pop. Now that's really for the valley floor, right? Before and after. A little bit on other things, like even that little stone structure here in the hillside, that gets a little bit of a pop. Then the background mountains, check these out. The background mountain, particularly this one here, and playing up the detail there, because this is an important secondary player, and in fact, for my story, more important than the foreground ones. I want you to be down here and then seeing these things and using the larger hill and this surrounding area as almost like a natural framing. Not almost, it is a natural framing. Now the left hillside, downplay that a little bit, right? Darken the corners in the lower part. Light up the village a little bit. And then finally a finishing vignette, just to push the eye all the way down into the valley. These are pretty straightforward changes, and they really are fundamentally light and shadow, maybe a little bit of temperature with cooling the sky, but these are not drastic color changes. They are effectively dodges and burns, but using some of our newer modern tools to make it happen faster and more quickly. Hope you enjoyed the quick rundown there. Keep your eyes open for a video course coming all about crafting light and shadow in mid-September. And until next time, my name's Scott Davenport. Have fun.